Hello viewers, welcome to RReduVids. The final phase of design thinking process is testing. This phase is characterized by the prototypes being tested closer to the user group, which means to say that the user group will be engaged with the solution and they provide the constructive feedback, and this feedback enables the design thinkers to improvise their idea and help them in redesigning the prototypes. So the mantra here is not perfection but a feedback from the users. The tools during this stage are usability testing, visual preference testing, multivariate testing, card sorting, get feedback, and iterate. Thank you viewers for watching RReduVids. I request you all to please like, share and subscribe to RReduVids. Namaste.